Okay, so I went to Walmart today. I don't know, I got wild hair up my ass. Decided to get an iPad. I've always wanted one. Once I got there, they kind of talked me into the iPad Air. Um, they said the processor is twice as fast as the iPod 2. And it has Retina display, which means the pixels are so confined that the human eye can't tell a pixel. That's pretty much what it means. So I haven't even got it out of the bag yet. You can just open this thing up and see what's inside. I've had a lot of Apple products. I've had MacBooks, just the plain MacBook, not the Pros or anything, but tons of iPhones, from 3 to 3G to the 4 to the 5. And this is being recorded with a 5. So we're going to see what an iPad Air looks like, I guess. So, and I love opening these things because, man, Apple does just a tremendous job at packaging, and I think that's part of the deal with Apple is they just want to make the whole experience amazing, Other than the product, they want the experience of opening to be amazing. So, here we go. I'm going to get in on this as we open it. So, it says iPad Air. That's pretty cool. Chrome, nothing. It doesn't tell you what it can do, what it can't do.
You seem to have one of your better games on the ice tonight, but the big story was off the ice yesterday. A slam dunk as you guys prepared for this game. How did you get that good at basketball?
This box.
I mean, where I grew up, we used to play basketball and just learned a few moves.
I got the black one.
A great win tonight. Way to go. All right, thank you.
I don't know why. I've never had a white iPhone or anything. I always got black, so I was sticking with it.
Absolutely.
I don't even want to take it out. Oh, I'm just kidding. Alright, I just flipped it over. Looks like this is probably some type of metallic material, aluminum, I don't know. Just set that aside for now. There, your plug-in. It's in that nice little hole there. Directions. I don't know, Apple doesn't really give a user manual at all, ever. It's always in the program itself, so you have to go into programs, and then go into user manual or whatever. So the manual is right in the hard drive. It's not a hard drive, it's actually a solid state memory. Well, we got the new charger that you have with the 5 now. And then this. I don't know why this thing's so freaking big, but it's like what I had with my computer, the Apple computer. Let's see, there ain't nothing else in here. Nope, that don't come out, so there's nothing else. That's pretty much it. But as you can see, Jesus, this thing is thin. It's probably maybe 5/16 of an inch thick. Very light.
If I had to guess, I think we're gonna see a goaltending change, and they'll start to alternate a little bit here and see.
The back where the other ones were plastic, this looks like aluminum, maybe. I don't know.
If given the chance,
camera here, camera there.
And Mike did say earlier today, in fact, that
standard one button configuration. It used to tell how many gigs it was on the back. It doesn't say it at all. You got to go into settings and about to find that out, I guess. So, this is the opening of the new iPad Air. Guys, hope you enjoyed. I will fill you in more once I turn it on.